I ordered these off of AliExpress. Smaller than I expected. What do you expect from AliExpress? They advertise stuff. They're not what you expect them to be in size. But they're 3D printed dragon eggs. And I bought the 5-pack. So I get 5 different dragon eggs. 5 different dragons in them. They're smaller than I thought they'd be. I really like this egg. This egg's pretty cool. I'm wondering if it's glow in the dark. Kind of glowing, just a little bit. It is, or at least the dragon inside is glow in the dark. We're gonna start with him. Untwist it. We got ourselves a white dragon. Pretty freaking neat. Not as neat as the ones my nephews got for Christmas, but neat nonetheless. There's the white. I'm pretty sure it does glow in the dark. Not the egg. There was a green glow coming from inside the egg. Alright, let's go with this colorful one right here next. And just like his egg, he's quite colorful. Yeah, what's up? Yes. Okay. Let's do this one next. Pink and yellow. We'll fix that one. Pink and yellow, pink and yellow. Nice. I like it. Let's do the gold one last. Orange. Fiery orange. Whoa. Orange or reddish orange fades into a flaming yellow. The torch doesn't do it much justice, but still looks beautiful with the torch on. And come on, that is a cool egg. And finally, the gold egg. It's gold and black, as is the dragon that it comes inside. Black and gold. Black head. Oh my god, look at that. It fades to black and into gold again. It's like a chameleon, gold and black. I love it. By far my favorite. Anyway, those were my unboxing of my AliExpress 3D printed dragons with eggs. The next ones that I get will be really big ass ones, like really, really big. But until then, this was Zachary Kingsmith from Turner School of Gaming signing off. Peace.